Hey everyone, I am Munib, growth strategist at Growth Beyond Horizon, and today I'll walk you through one of the most asked questions in the e-commerce world: Amazon versus Shopify. Which one is actually better for building a profitable business in 2025? Now, both platforms are massive players, but they serve completely different purposes. Amazon is like renting a space in the world's biggest digital mall. It gives you instant access to millions of customers, built in trust, and fast sales. But it also means high competition, strict policies, and limited control over your brand. Shopify, on the other hand, is like owning your own digital store. You get full control over your branding, pricing, and customer experience. The catch: you have to drive your own traffic and build trust from scratch. So here's the reality: Amazon gives you speed, while Shopify gives you freedom. If you want quick exposure and short term revenue, Amazon is your best start. But if you are aiming for a long term, brand driven business, Shopify is a better play. At Growth Beyond Horizon, we have seen incredible results from sellers who actually use both platforms strategically: Amazon for reach and Shopify for brand control. That's where real digital growth happens. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We have got more insights coming every week to help you take your e commerce game to the next level.